Okay, we're carrying on with the 2016 Geometric Reasoning exam, and we're looking at question 2. So please take some time to read question 2. Please pause this, read it, put in everything that you need to do, and have a think about it, and then you can have a look at what I'm doing for my answer. So we are given a diagram. You've read it now, so you know all the information. We know that this LM is the horizontal, so that would mean that my perpendicular my pillar, which is vertical, would be perpendicular, so this whole angle would be 90 degrees. So there's my thinking. Calculate the size of angle X in the diagram above. So I know that LDB, so that's the angle LDB, is equal to 90 degrees as LM horizontal and BD is perpendicular. Okay, so our vertical. So that was given. So X equals 90 minus 2 degrees, which equals 88 degrees. So I've now got that that's 88 degrees. It's a good idea to put in what you found. That's going to help you to see other things. Now, obviously, it says all the ramps are at 2 degree angle. So that would be at a 2 degree angle to there. So I'd know that these are parallel. Calculate the size of angle Y in the diagram above. So here is Y over here. So if I found that angle, they would be the same because of parallel lines corresponding angles. I could also find out what H was, and then alternate angles would be the same because those two are parallel. So either of those is fine. I'm going to do co-interior over here and then alternate over there. So ramps are parallel. From horizontal. So parallel. Just writing it down that I know that, so that I'm not just using a random fact that I've made up. We have actually been told that they are parallel in a not very obvious way. So NBD plus BDH equal 180 degrees, and they are co-interior angles. Coins angles supplementary, and I have to say parallel lines. Okay, because supplementary angles, co-interior angles are only supplementary on parallel lines. So NBD plus 88 degrees equals 180. So NBD equals 180 minus 88, which will give me 92 degrees. And then I'm going to use corresponding angles there. So AY equals NBD equals 92 degrees. Corresp angles equal, and again on parallel lines. They're not equal unless it is on parallel lines. So that is from that diagram. Part 3. Have a little read and then try as much as you like and then come back to it. So we've got our scaffolding. Okay, so they've actually put in my SK and YT being parallel. They haven't put in WS and PY parallel. They're both horizontal. So if they're both horizontal, then they are parallel to each other. I'm putting a double one on because I've already got the single one there. Now, if those two are parallel, that means I could find that angle out. If I knew that angle, and I've got that angle over there, I could work out, I could work out that middle one over there, and once I've got that, I can work out there. So there's quite a few steps that I need to do, but by actually drawing on my diagram, it gives me a better idea of what I'm doing and where I'm going. So I'm going to say that PYS is equal to 180 degrees minus 174 degrees, and it's coent, that's an I, coent angles sup WS parallel to PY, or parallel lines. You have to say that they're parallel, remember. So PYS is 6 degrees. Looks very small, but anyway, diagram not to scale. And so if that's 6 degrees, then SYT, this angle here, SYT equals 180 degrees minus 6 minus 2. And the reason for that is angles on a line add to 180, or supplementary, whichever one you want to say. So 180 minus 8 equals 92. And so this is 92. And so then X equals 180 degrees, cointerior angles sup SK parallel to YT, parallel lines, whichever way you want to do it. So X equals 88 degrees. And there you have it.